Ba perstuan song sembut mitrang ba ka jala megaliaw lapan pau ba ka jingkyntiew tulop ya nonghikai school ad hoc kan urlong hynrei balei pat nonghikai pdiang ya ka jingïakren. Ulong bau menteri ketena puli puji ke sorkar jelaw la dep yakren bat kinong yalam ka fastam haka arpnai trik jeliau arja arpuar. Ula kentui nonghikai bat senge no ya ka jingki bat pai no seki school nak banta ki kena puli.
Yes, relating to the sit down dhana made by the teachers, the private school teachers. In fact, it is very, very unfortunate. Yesterday, our Honorable Education Minister had a meeting with the leaders of this organization, and he already clearly communicated to them that enhancement of grant in aid is only a matter of time. Of course, the detailed homework has to be done by the concerned department, be it education department, be it planning department, be it finance department. So he already assured that enhancement will take place. Let me use the word, enhancement shall take place. Still, I don't know these teachers why they did not accept that official communication made by the education minister. I'm really surprised. I would like therefore to request once again to all of them, let them go back to their respective schools, join your classes, think of your students, because there is no solution at all. By your sitting over there, you may stay there maybe 3 nights, 4 nights, 5 nights, 6 nights, but the commitment made by the government, we already communicated them. We are going to enhance it. I would suggest to them, I would request to all of them, please go back to your respective institution, do your normal duty, and very soon government will take a decision on this particular issue.